If you need to change your phone number associated with your Target account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Target website or open the Target app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in a menu under Account or Profile. Step 3. Find personal information. In your account settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Contact Information. Click on it to view your current details. Step 4. Edit phone number. Locate the field that displays your current phone number. Click on the Edit option next to it and enter your new phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new information. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on your Target account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Target customer service for assistance.